somebody who wished to be anonymous sent me this. I did some digging. They sent me this article about the fact that the coronaviruses could be tied back to bats, and they were studying this, right? So I did some digging myself, and I actually went to the website of the Wuhan Institute of Virology. So this is like a university slash, I'm going to say, a virus lab that studies transmissible viruses. And I found this job opening. I'm going to post it here in Chinese first, but I've translated it over here as well. Look at the date here. It says 11/18/2019. So this is November 18th. So this is about a month before we really knew anything. It says it is recruiting 1 to 2 postdoctoral fellows, and they're going to research the unique mechanism of bats' innate immunity. So the job requirements, you got to have a PhD, you got to have all these English communication skills. They're trying to recruit people from abroad. And remember, this is in the virus lab that's very close to the initial breakout. They have the salary here, which is actually pretty good for China. The most important thing is down here at the bottom. It says the PI introduction. Peng Zhou, PhD researcher, Wuhan Institute of Virology, Chinese Academy of Sciences, and leader of bat virus infection immunization. He received his PhD in the Wuhan Virus Research Institute in 2010, and he has worked on bat virus and immunology in Australia and Singapore. In 2009, he took the lead in starting the research on the immune mechanism of bat long-term carrying transmitting viruses in the world. So far, he's published more than 30 SCI articles, including the first corresponding authors Nature, Cell, Host, Microbe, and PNAS. At present, research on bat virus and immunology is continuing, and it's received support from the National Excellence Youth Fund and the pilot project of the Chinese Academy of Sciences, and the major project of the Ministry of Science and Technology. Now, the main research direction of this research group, so the foreigners that they're trying to hire, these scientists with PhDs. Again, remember this is in November 19th, 2019. Taking bats as a research object, I will answer the molecular mechanism that can coexist with Ebola and SARS-associated coronavirus for a long time without disease, and its relationship with flight and longevity. Virology, immunology, cell biology, and multiple omics are used to compare the differences between humans and other mammals. Now, this is not to say that this was some random, bioweapon that people keep speculating about. I think it's nonsense to me. But this does show that they were recruiting people to come to the virus lab to actually study coronavirus transmissibility between humans and bats just a month before this all happened. And that is very, very interesting stuff. And what's really funny, the most funny thing is when I was digging, I actually pulled up this website. This is a little while ago. I wanted to see if this website would be taken down, because this job opening is still open. You can still go to this website. So if you go to the Wuhan Institute of Virology, you have to do it in Chinese, but you can translate with Google or something. It's still there. And I want to see, this is my little test, I want to see if this website goes down. It'll obviously be on archive.org or something, but I want to see if after my website, or after my video kind of simmers for a little while, I want to see if this goes down. I'm very, very, very curious. Some other updates. The Chinese government is now